As we cross the threshold of middle age, our dietary choices become increasingly crucial in determining how well we age. While aging is natural, certain foods can accelerate age-related changes in our bodies. Every bite we take is either feeding youthful vitality or fueling premature aging. This guide examines foods that may contribute to premature aging and offers healthier alternatives. Get ready to unlock the secrets to aging gracefully. Let's kick things off with refined sugars and high fructose corn syrup. These two ingredients are ubiquitous in our modern diet, often hidden in places you wouldn't expect. These sneaky culprits are found in countless processed foods, from sugary drinks to condiments, and even in items marketed as healthy. They are added to enhance flavor, preserve shelf life, and improve texture. Refined sugars accelerate aging through a process called glycation. This is where sugar molecules attach to proteins, making collagen fibers stiff and brittle. Collagen is essential for maintaining the skin's elasticity and strength. Glycation can also damage internal organs, increasing the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and kidney problems. The impact is far-reaching and affects overall health. Chronic inflammation from sugar is like a slow-burning fire inside our bodies. This inflammation can lead to various health issues, including joint pain, fatigue, and even mental health problems. But don't swear off sweetness altogether. There are healthy alternatives. Natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, and stevia can satisfy your sweet tooth without the harmful effects of refined sugars. Nature provides us with naturally sweet treats like berries, which are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Melons, dates, and figs. These fruits are rich in natural sugars that come with a host of health benefits. These natural sugars come with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help in maintaining a balanced diet and provide essential nutrients that our bodies need. By understanding how refined sugars contribute to aging, we can make conscious choices. Reading labels and being aware of hidden sugars can make a significant difference in our health. Ditch sugary drinks and processed sweets. Opt for whole foods and natural sweeteners to reduce your sugar intake. Treat your body to the natural sweetness it deserves. Enjoying a fresh fruit salad or a healthy dessert made with natural ingredients can be both satisfying and beneficial. Your future self will thank you. By making these small changes today, you can look forward to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant future. Let's talk about processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats. These meats are packed with substances that can sabotage your health and speed up aging. Nitrites in processed meats can transform into nitrosamines linked to cancer. AGEs, formed when proteins or fats combine with sugars, are abundant in processed meats. AGEs contribute to inflammation, oxidative stress, and chronic diseases. Opt for lean, unprocessed proteins like wild-caught fish or plant-based proteins. By reducing processed meats, we can promote healthy aging. Let's dive into industrial vegetable oils like soybean, corn, canola, and sunflower oil. These oils are commonly found in many processed foods and are often used for frying and baking due to their high smoke points and affordability. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can contribute to inflammation when consumed in excess. Omega-6 fatty acids are essential, but the modern diet often includes them in disproportionate amounts compared to omega-3 fatty acids. Oxidation of these oils creates harmful free radicals that damage cells. This oxidative stress can accelerate the aging process and contribute to various chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Choose healthy alternatives like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. These oils are not only delicious but also packed with beneficial nutrients. These oils are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and supporting overall health. Be mindful of the types of oils you consume. Reading labels and understanding the source and processing of the oils can make a significant difference in your health. Choose cold-pressed, unrefined oils stored in dark containers. These methods preserve the nutritional quality and prevent the oils from becoming rancid. Support your overall health and promote healthy aging by making informed choices about the oils you use in your diet. Incorporating healthier oils can lead to better long-term health outcomes and a more vibrant life. Let's talk about artificial sweeteners, those substitutes that promise sweetness without the calories. Artificial sweeteners can disrupt gut microbiota, leading to digestive issues and inflammation. They may also interfere with glucose metabolism, increasing the risk of insulin resistance. Opt for natural alternatives like raw honey and pure maple syrup. Moderation is key. Even natural sweeteners should be consumed in moderation. Let's talk about refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and rice. Refined carbs can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels and contribute to premature aging. They lead to rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes, causing insulin resistance. Insulin resistance can pave the way for type 2 diabetes and other chronic health problems. Choose complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Fiber slows down sugar absorption, preventing dramatic blood sugar spikes. Make informed choices to support long-term health and well-being. Let's talk about deep-fried foods, those crispy, golden brown temptations. Deep-fried foods are laden with trans fats, which raise bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol. Trans fats contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Acrylamide, a potentially carcinogenic compound, forms when starchy foods are cooked at high temperatures. Opt for healthier cooking methods like air frying, baking, roasting, grilling, and steaming. Make informed choices to support long-term health and well-being. Enjoy your favorite treats while promoting healthy aging. Let's talk about alcohol, a social lubricant and source of relaxation. Excessive alcohol intake can accelerate aging and increase health risks. Alcohol dehydrates the body, leading to dry skin, wrinkles, and serious health issues. It depletes essential nutrients and disrupts sleep patterns. Opt for enjoyable alternatives like herbal teas and kombucha. Moderation is key. Prioritize hydration and nutrient-rich foods. Minimize the negative effects of alcohol and support healthy aging. 9. Let's talk about carbonated sugary beverages, those fizzy sweet drinks. These beverages are loaded with high fructose corn syrup and refined sugars. They contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and chronic health problems. Phosphoric acid in these drinks can erode tooth enamel and interfere with calcium absorption. Opt for water, green tea, and unsweetened iced tea. Make conscious choices to support long-term health and well-being. Ditch sugary beverages and embrace hydrating, nutrient-rich alternatives. Quench your thirst while promoting healthy aging. 9. Let's delve into ultra-processed snacks like chips, cookies, and candy bars. These snacks are laden with artificial ingredients, unhealthy fats, and excessive sugar. They offer little nutritional value and contribute to health problems. Opt for raw nuts and seeds, fresh fruits, and whole, unprocessed foods. Make conscious choices to support long-term health and well-being. Nourish your body and promote healthy aging. Number 7. Let's revisit trans fats, focusing on their presence in margarine and processed foods. Trans fats disrupt cell membranes and contribute to inflammation. They increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Opt for healthy alternatives like avocados and extra virgin olive oil. Make informed choices to support long-term health and well-being. Avoid products containing trans fats and embrace healthy fats from whole food sources. Promote healthy aging by protecting your cells. And there you have it. Health warriors, you've taken the first step towards a more vibrant, youthful life. We've uncovered the top 10 foods that could be secretly aging you faster. These foods might be delicious, but they can take a toll on your body over time. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you have the knowledge to make informed choices about what you fuel your body with. By understanding the impact of these foods, you can take control of your health and well-being. Start by replacing just one aging food with a healthier option. Small changes can lead to big results over time. Imagine the difference it could make in your energy levels, skin health, and overall vitality. Join our community of health enthusiasts and share this video with someone you care about. Together, we can inspire each other to make better choices and live our best lives. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're never too young or too old to start taking care of your body. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a more ageless you. Keep moving forward, and let's embrace this journey together.